You done with the brown marker? Gonna close it? Oh, good job. Nice closing the marker, James. Yellow. 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 That's mommy's foot. Tickle, 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 tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. You tickling me? Oh no, you're tickling me too. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Is that yellow? Yellow. Ick. Ick? Did you get marker on your fingers? That's okay. Yellow.
Green.
Yellow.
Green.
Where's green? Green. That's brown. Whoops. You want mommy to get that? Mommy will get it. Hang on. There you go. There's your brown marker. Mom, there's the dishes I got for my cupboard. I haven't really put them up yet, though, but I've got the cupboard up. See? What do you think? Looks pretty good, eh? Green. Green. Green color. Somebody's at the door.